Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to invite your Discord bot to your server. Before we start it, make sure to subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your Discord and select a bot which you want to add to your Discord server. Then click right button of your mouse and click on Add App. Then select your server, click Continue, click on Authorize, prove that I am a human, and yeah, we have successfully added a Discord bot in Discord server. That's how you can simply add a Discord bot to your Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks, and we will see you in the next video.